Hi! In front of me is Motorola G71 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and download your new food app. In my case, it will be Opera Mini browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and choose Home button. Now you need to go into device settings. Choose Apps and Notifications, click on Advanced and go into the Food Apps. Now pick one of those sections. I want to change my browser apps, I will go with Browser, click on Opera and simply go back. And now as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!